chairs can we fit here till we can fit no more? Count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4. The perimeter is 4.
How many tables are there in this cafeteria? There's only one table in this cafeteria. 1 square is the area. 1 times 1 is the area.
How many chairs can we fit here to set the table for dinner? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chairs. That's the perimeter.
A very happy day. Welcome you all, dear children, to the session of Grade 6 NSTSC SOF previous year questions. I know you all are eagerly waiting as you are already done with your school exams and all of you have applied for the maths or the science Olympiads. So you want like how to prepare for these Olympiads, which book to refer. Children, best is that revise your school syllabus, your formula from your school books, and just solve more and more of MCQs like we are doing in Vedantu Olympiad School. I'm conducting the classes for the preparation of these exams where every day nearly 15 to 20 quizzes are done and then we take out the fastest fingers. And also very much important to do the previous year questions. So to make you aware of the previous year questions and solve your doubts, I brought here you the session of perimeter and area. So welcome once again from Vedantu Master Teacher Renu Garg, having 28 years of experience into teaching. Children, I have been mentoring children for junior Olympiads, NTSC, J and NEET top ranks from last 28 years, and believe me, trust me, children, those who are the early beginners, they are sure shot to be successful. If you start from class 6 and 7, the regular practice of multiple choice questions, you give all the tests around you, whichever you come across, to gauge your performance at all India level. Definitely you are going to deal in the future examinations because after class 12, you have to play the national Olympiads. So let us come to the perimeter and area. Perimeter is any figure of the total length of the boundary, and area is the region inside the boundary. Perimeter is the measure of the length of the boundary. Area is the region covered inside the closed figure. The units used for perimeter are kilometer, meter, centimeter as we use for the length. Conversions, of course, you have to take care like 1 kilometer has 1000 meters, 1 meter has 100 centimeters, 1 centimeter has 10 millimeters. To convert area, you have to multiply like 1 meter square is equal to 100 into 100 because 100 is for 1 centimeter. So 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. 1 centimeter square is equal to 100 millimeter square. And one new unit you are coming across is hectares, that 1 kilometer square is equal to 100 hectares. Now, generally what happens is when you attempt the paper, you come home and say, oh, it happened wrong. By mistake, Mama, I calculated area instead of perimeter. Why? Read it carefully. Question में कभी ये नहीं लिखा होता कि find out the perimeter or find out the area, वो तो straight questions हो गए. If they are statement problems, then it is written that you want to fence around, cost is given to you or 1 meter, then find out the total cost. So, jab bhi word fencing, compounding, around the field, length of frame, boundary are used, then you have to find out the perimeter. If it's tilling, turfing, region inside the boundary, painting a region, cementing the floor, then it is area. Now, let us recap the formula first. All of you know that area of triangle is half the base into height, and perimeter of triangle is a plus b plus c, the sum of all the 3 sides. Rectangle, again the sum of all 4 sides, but here the one pair of sides is equal, length and length of the opposite sides are equal. Similarly, breadth and breadth of opposite side is equal. So perimeter will be twice of length plus twice of breadth when you take 2 common over here. So you get 2 common and L plus B. Next is area. Area is equal to length into breadth. Perimeter of square is sum of all the 4 sides, or you can say 4 into side. And area of square is side into side. Yes. Then circumference of a circle is the perimeter of the circle. That is 2 pi r. and area is pi r square, where value of pi is 3.14 or 22 by 7. Next comes the shape of a parallelogram. Parallelogram has a one pair of sides parallel to each other. Rectangle and square are also the parallelograms, but the difference is rectangle and square have each angle as 90 degree, whereas any other parallelogram may not have each angle as 90 degree. So since this is L, its opposite side is L. This is B, opposite side is B. So again perimeter is twice of L plus B. Area is base into altitude. If L is the base, then the altitude, the height coming on this side, altitude is this, then area is base into altitude. This is a rhombus having all four sides equal. So perimeter is 4 into side and area is base into altitude or half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Then these are the diagonals. So half into d1 into d2. Then if this is the radius, circle ka formula we have already discussed. Semicircle is what this boundary is half of 2 pi r, that is pi r, and this distance is d. You can say d or 2r, so it is pi r plus d or pi r plus 2r. If it's open semicircle, it will only be pi r. If it is closed, then pi r plus d. Area will be half, that is half of pi r square. If it's a semicircle, then obviously 1/4 of pi r square, and its circumference, or you can say its perimeter, will be this boundary. It becomes pi r upon 2, means 2 pi r ka 1/4 plus these are the two radii, 2r. So these are the formula we have revised. This is the same area of a parallelogram. If this is the base, altitude drawn from this side will be this one. AB is equal to CD. So AB is equal to CD. Area can be AB into AF or CD into BE. Both will give you the area of the parallelogram. So this was all about the formula. All of you are charged up now. Come on, have a pen and paper. सिंपल क्वेश्चंस कहने को ओलंपियाड है, देखने में एकदम मुश्किल लगेंगे, बट जब करेंगे तो एकदम इजी लगेंगे. करने का लगेगा कुछ था ही नहीं. इतना प्रैक्टिस करना है कि IMO में all the questions should be correct. या NSTSC में. The figure below is made up of 12 equilateral triangles. If the length of PQ is 96, this whole length is 96. Find the total perimeter of the figure. There are 12 equilateral triangles, 6 on the upper side and 6 on the lower side. So in the figure, one triangle is mixed, which I missed, which I am drawing now. This is Q. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 triangles हैं. PQ 96 से कैसे साइड निकालें, कैसे पेरीमीटर निकालें. Perimeter is like the boundary which is going up and down, up and down, up and down, and then lower side, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you have to find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 12 sides on this side. 12 plus 12, 24 sides की length निकालनी है. So how do we find out the length? Since it is equilateral triangle, let me find out this length. This whole is how much? 96. It is divided into how many figures? 12 triangles, but base कितनों ने लिया है? 6 ने. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let us see. Let us solve over here. There is one more triangle I will make over here. Now your Q is here. So you can write like side of each triangle, this side, is 96 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divisions. So this comes 16 centimeters, right? Now, if this is 16, this will also be 16, this will also be 16. So how many sides are there of 16? Each triangle has got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 sides, isn't it? And there are 12 triangles. So how many total triangles? Total number of sides in total, that will be 12 into 2 is equal to 24 sides. So what will be the length of these sides, which will be called as the perimeter? It will be 16 into 24, and that gives you the answer, let us say 384. So you get the answer as 384, 64 to 64, 216 to 32 and 638. 384 centimeter is the perimeter of this figure. Come on. So now, wasn't it easy? Just the thing is, you could make a mistake that you could divide 96 by 12. वो नहीं करना है. आपको ये देखना है कि base कितनों ने occupy किया. Now, next question is, the figure below shows 4 identical squares. 1, 2, 3 and 4, which are placed within a big square. Big square is A, B, C and D. If the area of the big square ABCD, area of ABCD, always use your pen to write. Never try to do without writing, just looking at the questions. Area of ABCD is 784 centimeter square. अगर आपको एरिया दिया है आप उससे क्या निकाल सकते हैं और वो आपके किस काम आएगा? You can find out this whole side AB, this whole side BC. क्योंकि आपको छोटी वाली साइड तो पता नहीं है. आपको इसका एरिया निकालना है. If you have to find out the area of 1, 2, 3 and 4, you need to find out the area of first at least. Area of first square will be side into side. You do not know what is the side. So how will you find out this side? Let us see how we do it. Now, area of the square is ABCD. जो square है उसका area is given as 784 centimeter square. You know that area is side into side. So side square is equal to area and side will be under root of area. So side of the square will be under root of 784, which comes to 28 centimeters. Now side of each small square. This was the square. This side has come 28. 4 squares were placed inside this, no matter in what direction they were placed. But all 4 have got 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 height. So this height will be equal to 28. That means 28 is divided into 4. So each part comes 7 centimeters. So side of each small square is equal to 7 centimeters. So there are 4 squares made. So area of one square is 7 into 7, 49. So area of 4 squares will be 4 into 49, which gives you 196. When you get area of shaded region 196, your total area was this. On subtracting, you get the area of the shaded region minus squares. So that is how question was simple. Formula was straight, 4 into sides or side into side. Oh, these were the things which you have used. But see, 4 into side is a perimeter, side into side is the area. But you have to apply the trick. कहाँ से निकाल के आप किसको कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं? एप्लीकेशन ऑफ फॉर्मूला आना चाहिए बिल्कुल क्लैरिटी से. वो तब आएगा when you will practice more and more questions. You will be watching all the sessions in which I will be bringing up new questions and you will sit with the paper and the pen. See, you will say like, how do I spare time? I will take a special session on this. How do I spare time for Olympiads along with school? 20 minutes, 30 minutes, half an hour, just watch one video game की एक video कम खेल लो. Yes, if you are sleeping at 10, sleep at 10:30, but you can easily do it. Make it a target कि करना ही है. Now, perimeter of a rectangle ABCD is 76. सबसे पहले जैसे आप पढ़ते हो, your finger should move to right like this. Although I solved it, but I tell you that how we approach towards the question. AB is 3 times, जो लिखा है वही आप लिखिए. AB is 3 times as AE. हमें shaded region निकालना है तो हमें AE निकालना पड़ेगा अभी. Leave the space over here. Then it is written BC is twice of BJ. Okay. Find the shaded area. How will we proceed? Shaded area निकालने के लिए we have to find out the area of triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 3 and triangle 4. Is to find out the area of the triangle, you know that it's a right angle triangle, so it will be half into base into altitude. Half into base into altitude. Half into base into this altitude. How do I find out this side? Now, let's see. How do I find out? Perimeter is given 76. BC is 20. So if BC is 20 and AB is what? First, you have to find out this whole length AB. AB will be, see, perimeter is 2, the sum of the two sides, length plus breadth, or you can say perimeter is twice of AB plus BC. Perimeter kitna given is 76, 2 will come on this side. AB is, you have to find out, BC is how much? 20. So 76 upon 2 minus 20 is equal to AB. This is what I have written over here, but I wrote it side by side so that you understand when I write. It's simply when perimeter is given, length is given, you have to find out the breadth. So let's see what it comes. It comes to 18 centimeters. So this whole side is 18. This whole side is also 18. Now it is given that AE is 1/3 of 18. ये हमने अभी निकाला है ना, 1/3 of AB है because AB is thrice of AE. तो AE कितना हुआ? 1/3 of AB. That is 1/3 of 18, which gives you 6 centimeters. If this is 6, these two marks are there. This is also 6. This is also 6. This is also 6. Now, BC is 20 and BJ is like 10 because it is given half. What is BE? BE is AB minus AE. AB is how much? 18. वो हमने पहले निकाल लिया था. Minus 6 gives you 12. So we have taken out all the sides. Now how easy? पहले नीचे वाले triangles का area निकालेंगे. Area of triangle BEJ and CJF, which will come out to be equal. So half, base is what? 10, height is what? 12. This is what I have written. So 2 5s are, so it gives you 60 centimeters square. This is I have already taken out. Now area of AEG and DHF, half into 6 is equal to 18 centimeters square. So area of shaded region will be 2 triangles of 18 and 2 triangles of 60 each gives you 156 centimeter square. So it was a little long question in explaining, but when it will click to you, you need not write so many steps and you can do it orally very fast in half a minute. When you will practice more and more, then only your speed will increase. In which of the following does the shaded part represents? It is 0.03. Yes, sorry, it is 0.3. 0.3, not 0.03. It is 0.3. 0.3. So how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 parts are shaded as 3 upon 10 equal to 0.3. This is 1 upon 4 equal to 0.25. This is again 1 upon 4. It is equal to 0.25. 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 12, 15, and you can count so many like total squares upon the shaded squares. But since we were asked 0.3, so our option A is correct. Now, the cost of making a fence. Question number 5. Paper 2015 set B का question है. So we are completing all the questions of 2015 perimeter area. After completing one round of all the topics, we will be coming back to the rest of the remaining questions. We will be discussing the full papers in the batches which I'll be starting from near about 10th October, 6th and 7th regular for Olympiad preparation. हमेशा उसमें chapter होगा, फिर उसके साथ previous year questions होंगे. The cost of making a fence around a square field is 392. There is a square field. If you go around it, total cost is 392 rupees. And cost of 1 meter is rupees 14. If I say that you brought 100 pens for rupees 5 each, how do you find out how many pens you brought? 100 divided by 5. So you brought 20 pens. Similarly, you gave total cost of the field 392 at the rate of rupees 14. What is the length of each side of the field? See now, look, cost of fencing is 392. Rate is 14. So length of fencing will be 392 upon 14, 28. Length of fencing है ये, length of side नहीं है. So don't get confused. Fencing means all the four sides, boundary. And boundary of square, fencing of square, you can say boundary of square is 4 into side. So each side will be 28 divided by 4, that gives you 7 meters. So 7 meters is the side of the square field. So this was the easiest questions of the day and I guess all could do it. किसने सबसे पहले किया था? Come on, applaud for yourself, pat your back. Very good. Come to the next question. The diagram shows a framed picture. Find the area of the picture. So you had a drawing competition. Beautiful scenery my kids have drawn. Now, what was the size of the paper? 12 and here it was 10. You left this much space for the framing and this is the size of the picture. So if you have to find the size of the picture, you have, let us say, outer rectangle is A, B, C, D. Inner rectangle is E, F, G and H. So what is my side? If I have to find out the outer rectangle, it was 12 into 10, 120. अगर मुझे area of frame निकालना होता, then what would I have done? Outer rectangle minus inner rectangle. I have to find out the area of the picture means I have to find out only the area of the inner rectangle. Inner rectangle की side पता होना चाहिए जो नहीं पता. See, outer rectangle is 12. उसमें से 2 इधर से चला गया, 2 इधर से. What is the side left? EF और GH कितना बचा? 12 minus 2 plus 2. That is 12 minus 4, which gives you 8 centimeters. This side was 10. 10 में से 2 has gone this side, 2 has gone that side. So it is 10 minus 4. This gives you 6 centimeters. Now can you tell me what is the area of the picture? Simply 8 6 are 48 centimeter square. अगर फ्रेम का एरिया पूछा होता तो 12 into 10 120 minus 48 will give you 72 centimeters square. So कुछ भी पूछा जा सकता है in such types of questions. And last question for today's session is, care up all of you. I hope you all enjoyed the session and you will be enjoying more. You will be trained more when you join the Vedantu Olympiad classes, which we are running. We have a batch of 6th and 7th running at 4:30 p.m. in which we are discussing all the topics of 6th and 7th turn by turn for the Olympiad examinations. Though classes are different, but अगर 6th में है और 7th का syllabus किया है तो definitely your scoring goes better. And even for 7th class children, they should know 6th also, they should know 8th also, because all things are interconnected. So for that purpose, 6th and 7th का batch we have 4:30 की 6th को 7th वालों के साथ exposure मिले, 7th को 8th के साथ exposure मिले, उसके लिए we are having NTSC head start which runs 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. 2 days in a week. And all those children who are associated with me since June in our Vedantu Olympiad classes, and they have already done 3 months course with us, they are in Maths Avengers batch, means that is the pre-RMO ka foundation batch, because next year these children will be writing the exam of pre-RMO. So all of you have lots of options to join and come, and all courses are free of cost, because we do not want that any child's education should be restricted due to some fee amount. All potential children should be studying, coming to us and studying and gaining maths olympiads and gaining high marks and high ranks and have good seats in your career in good institutions. So Priya used 4 similar rectangular carpets and a square carpet for the flooring in a study room is shown below. So look here, this is a rectangle. ये rectangular carpet is on the outside and inside there is a square carpet. Now this side is given 6, this is given 2, but all sides are similar. It is written 4 similar. So if this is 2, then this is also 2, right? This is also 2. So now can you tell me 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangular carpets ka area and 5th is square carpet. See how will we calculate it? What is the area of shaded rectangle inside and what is the area of 4 rectangles? First of all, area of rectangle 1. Rectangle 1 is 6 into, this side is 2, then this is also 2, so 6 into 2 is equal to 12. So 12, 12, 12 and 12. Now how to calculate this side? Look here. This is whole is 6. This whole is 6. This is 2. So 6 minus 2 is how much? 4. And since it is a square, so both sides are 4 into 4, it will be 16. Right? And there is area. What is the area of one rectangle? 6 into 2. So area of 4 rectangle will be 12 into 4, 48. Side of each square is 4. So area of shaded region is 4 into 4. That is 16 centimeter square. So let us see what was it asked. Priya used similar carpets and a square carpet for flooring. If it costs rupees 6 per square meter for the rectangular and rupees 8 for square. Now square के लिए 8 है, rectangular के लिए, rectangular carpets के लिए कितना था 48. What is the cost? 6. So you will multiply कि rectangular carpets का cost goes to 88. Square carpet का cost is rupees 8 per meter square. Area was 16, so it comes to 128. So what is the total cost? You add both of them and you get rupees 416. So the simple formula you were applying, children, but yes, some questions had a trick, a twist. The more you will practice, the more you will gain. So this was the session of today for Olympiad's previous year question papers of IMO of grade 6. Very soon I will be coming with grade 6 and grade 7 NSO papers. So in rotation, alternately, we'll be having science and math session, a series on YouTube for science and math sessions. So you can subscribe Vedantu Olympiad School channel. First of all those who are watching my video for the first time, watch Cracking of Olympiads with Vedantu. Otherwise also, if you want to register for any of the courses or you feel like talking to me, you can write a mail to me on renumrt68@gmail.com, and please do mention your class, your school, your board, from which state and city you are, because I have children from all over the country, and also give your phone number so that I can contact you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye. It was a very lovely teaching you all. I hope all of you win the gold medal in IMO this time. Thank you. Bye bye.